Hi Kidspadians! Today we will be counting, so let's begin. First we will start by counting 5 fruits. 1 apple, 2 mangoes, 3 oranges, 4 watermelons, 5 banana. Great job guys! Now let's count 5 animals. 1 monkey, 2 goats, 3 horses, 4 lions, 5 sheep. That's great guys. See you next time.
Today we're going to learn how to stay healthy and happy. So let's begin. This is an apple. Apples is a citrus fruit that gives vitamin C. This is a carrot. Carrots are vegetables and they give vitamin K. This is an orange. Orange is also a citrus fruit that gives vitamin C. Next we gave the chicken. Chicken gives protein which is good for the body. We should always brush our teeth regularly to have strong and healthy teeth. Always wash your hand regularly. Always bath regularly to keep clean and free from germs. Always cover your mouth when coughing. Always remember to eat good food and exercise too. Brush your teeth and wash your hands too. Today we will be counting fruits and identifying the as well, so let's begin. We have 1 apple. This is an apple. An apple is red in color. Now let's get to the next one. We have 2 mangoes. This is a mango. It is yellow in color. Now let's get to the next one. We have 3 oranges. This is an orange. It is orange in color. Now let's get to the next one. We have 4 watermelons. This is a watermelon. It is green outside and red inside. Now let's get to the next one. We have 5 bananas. This is a banana, and it is also yellow outside but white inside. Are you ready to learn about animals and the sounds they make today? Let's begin with the cow. The cow is huge and tall and have 2 horns. The cow makes a sound. Next we have the duck. The duck is like a chicken but have a long flat beak. The duck makes a sound. Next we have the pig. The pig is fat and short. The pig makes a sound. Next we have the sheep. The sheep has a white soft hair that covers their skin and they are gentle. The sheep makes a sound. Next we have the horse. The horse is a strong and fast animal which people ride on. The horse makes a sound. Next we have the dog. The dog is a pet we keep at home. The dog makes a sound. Next we have the cat. The cat are also pets we keep at home. The cat makes a sound. Next we have the frog. The frog is an animal that hops from one place to another. The frog makes a sound. Next we have the bird. Birds are found in the air. They fly from one place to another. The bird makes a sound. Next we have the lion. The lion is a fearless animal who is known as the king of the jungle. The lion makes a sound.
We are going to learn about our community helpers. We're going to learn about different occupations and how they help our community. Are you ready? Let's start with the police officer. A police officer helps keep our community safe and make sure everyone follows the rules. Can you say police officer? Great job! Police officers help protect us. Now, let's meet doctor. A doctor helps people when they're sick and makes sure they stay healthy. Can you say doctor? Wonderful! Doctors help us stay healthy. Next, let's meet firefighter. A firefighter helps put out fires and rescue people in emergencies. Can you say firefighter? Excellent! Firefighters help keep us safe from fires. Now, let's meet teacher. A teacher helps children learn new things and grow their minds. Can you say teacher? Great job! Teachers help us learn. Now, let's meet farmer. A farmer grows foods and takes care of animals. Can you say farmer? Wonderful! Farmers help provide the food we eat. Next, let's meet mailman. A mailman delivers letters and packages to your homes. Can you say mailman? Excellent! Mailman help deliver our mail. Now, let's meet the chef. A chef cooks delicious food in restaurants. Can you say chef? Great job! Chefs make the tasty food we eat at restaurants. Finally, let's meet builder. A builder helps construct buildings and houses. Can you say builder? Wonderful! Builders help create the structures we live and work in. Let's review all the community helpers we've learned about today. Can you say their names with me? Can you say police officer? Can you say doctor? Can you say firefighter? Can you say teacher? Can you say farmer? Can you say mailman? Can you say chef? Can you say builder? Great job, everyone! You've learned about many community helpers and the important work they do. Remember, community helpers are all around us, making our lives better every day. Going to explore the beach and learn about sand, sea, and shells. Are you ready to dive in? Let's start with the sand castle. This is a sand castle made from sand which we scoop and shape. Can you say sand castle? Great job! Building sand castles is so much fun. Next, we have the seagull. The seagull loves to soar above the beach and look for food. Can you say seagull? Wonderful! Seagulls are often seen flying around the beach. Next, we have the shell. The shell come in many shapes and colors, and you can find them on the shore. Can you say shell? Excellent! Collecting shells is a great beach activity. Next, we have the wave. The wave crash onto the shore and make a soothing sound. Can you say wave? Great job! Waves make the beach a lively place. Next, we have the crab. The crab scuttles sideways across the sand. Can you say crab? Wonderful! Crabs are fascinating beach creatures. Next, we have the sun. The sun keeps the beach warm and bright. Can you say sun? Excellent! The sun makes our beach days warm and fun. Finally, we have the starfish. The starfish has 5 arms and live in the shallow waters. Can you say starfish? Great job! Starfish are amazing sea creatures. Let's review all the beach friends we've met today. Can you say their names with me? Sandcastle. Seagull. Shell. Wave. Crab. Sun. Starfish. Great job, everyone! You've learned about many things you can find and do at the beach. Remember, the beach is a wonderful place full of fun and exciting things to explore. We're going to learn about different toys and games. Are you ready? First, we have the toy truck. The toy truck loves to zoom around and carry things. Can you say truck? Great job! Trucks can carry all sorts of things. Next, we have the doll. The doll loves to play dress up and have tea parties. Can you say doll? Well done! Dolls can wear beautiful dresses and have lots of fun. Next, we have the teddy bear. The teddy bear loves to cuddle and keep you company at night. Can you say teddy bear? Wonderful! Teddy bears are so soft and huggable. Now we have the ball. The ball loves to bounce and roll around. Can you say ball? Fantastic! Balls can be used for many games like soccer and basketball. Next up is the puzzle piece. The puzzle piece loves to fit together to make a picture. Can you say puzzle? Excellent! Puzzles are great for thinking and having fun. Now, let's meet the game board. The game board loves to play games with pieces and cards. Can you say game? Great job! Games can be played with family and friends. Finally, let's meet Robot. Robot loves to move and make sounds. Can you say robot? Awesome! Robots can do all sorts of cool things. Let's review all the toys and games we've learned about today. Can you say their names with me? Truck. Doll. Teddy bear. Ball. Puzzle. Game. Robot. Great job, everyone! You've learned about many fun toys and games. Remember, playing with toys and games can be a lot of fun and help you learn new things. We will be learning about shapes and sizes. We're going to learn about different shapes and sizes. Are you ready to start? First, we have the circle. The circle is round and can be rolled around. Can you say circle? Great job! A circle is round. Next, we have the square. The square has 4 equal sides. Can you say square? Wonderful! A square has 4 equal sides. Next, we have the triangle. The triangle has 3 sides. Can you say triangle? Excellent! A triangle has 3 sides. Next, we have the rectangle. The rectangle has 4 sides, 2 long and 2 short. Can you say rectangle? Great job! A rectangle has 4 sides with 2 long and 2 short. Now, let's talk about sizes. Here's Big Bear. The bear is very large. Can you say big? Wonderful! Big means very large. Now, let's meet Small Mouse. The mouse is very tiny. Can you say small? Excellent! Small means very tiny. Next, let's meet tall giraffe. The giraffe is very tall. Can you say tall? Great job. Tall means very high up. Now, let's meet short penguin. The penguin is not very tall. Can you say short? Well done. Short means not very tall. Let's review all the shapes and sizes we've learned today. Can you say them with me? This is a circle. This is a square. This is a triangle. This is a rectangle. This is a big bear. This is a small mouse. This is a tall giraffe. This is a short penguin. Great job, everyone! You've learned about different shapes and sizes today. Remember, shapes and sizes are all around us, making everything unique and special. Thanks for joining us on the Shapes and Sizes adventure. Today we will be learning my first words with food items. We're going to learn about different types of food. Are you ready to start? Let's start with apple. Apple is a juicy red fruit. Can you say apple? Great job. Apples are delicious and healthy. Next, we have banana. Banana is yellow in color and also a fruit. Can you say banana? Wonderful. Bananas are sweet and full of energy. Next, we have carrot. Carrot are crunchy and they are vegetables. They are orange in color. Can you say carrot? Excellent. Carrots are great for your eyes. Next, we have donut. Donut are sweet and round. Can you say donut? Great job. Donuts are a tasty treat. Next, we have eggplant. Eggplant is purple in color. Can you say eggplant? Wonderful. Eggplants are versatile and nutritious. Next, we have the fish. Fishes are fresh and tasty to eat. Can you say fish? Excellent. Fish is good for your brain. Next, we have the grape. Grape is a bunch of sweet. Grapes are purple in color. Can you say grape? Great job. Grapes are a perfect snack. Finally, we have the milkshake. Milkshake is a cold, creamy liquid we drink. Can you say milkshake? Wonderful. Milkshakes are a delightful treat. Let's review all the foods we've learned about today. Can you say their names with me? Apple. Banana. Carrot. Donut. Eggplant. Fish. Grape. Milkshake. Great job, everyone! You've learned your first words about different foods. Remember, eating a variety of foods helps you stay healthy and strong. Today, we're going to learn about the 4 seasons. Are you ready to start? Let's start with the spring. In spring, flowers bloom and the weather gets warmer. Can you say spring? Great job. Spring is the season of blooming flowers and new beginnings. Next, we have summer. In summer, the days are long and warm, and we have lots of fun playing outside. Can you say summer? Wonderful. Summer is the season of sunshine and playtime. Next, we have the fall. In fall, the leaves change color and fall from the trees. Can you say fall? Excellent. Fall is the season of colorful leaves and harvest time. Finally, we have the winter. In winter, it gets cold and sometimes it snows. We can build snowmen and drink hot cocoa. Can you say winter? Great job! Winter is the season of cold weather and snowy fun. Let's review all the seasons we've learned about today. Can you say them with me? Spring makes flowers bloom. The summer is long and warm. In fall, leaves dries up and fall. Winter is a cold season. Great job, everyone. You've learned about the 4 seasons. Remember, each season brings its own special weather and activities. Thanks for joining us on the 4 Seasons adventure. Today, we will go on an alphabet adventure with Animal. We'll travel through the alphabet, meeting a new animal friend for each letter. Are you ready? Let's go! A is for alligator. Can you say alligator? Excellent. Alligators loves apples and adventures. A is for alligator and apple. B is for bear. Can you say bear? Great job. Bears like to eat berries and buzz around with bees. B is for bear and berries. C is for cat. Can you say cat? Wonderful. Cats enjoys climbing and chasing colorful butterflies. C is for cat and climbing. D is for dog. Can you say dog? Fantastic. Dogs dig for bones and dash around the yard. D is for dog and digging. E is for elephant. Can you say elephant? Wonderful. Elephants love eating peanuts and exploring the jungle. E is for elephant and exploring. F is for fox. Can you say fox? Excellent. Foxes find fun in the forest and feast on fish. F is for fox and forest. G is for giraffe. Can you say giraffe? Fantastic. Giraffes graze on green leaves and gallop gracefully. G is for giraffe and grazing. H is for hippo. Can you say hippo? Great. Hippos hang out in the water and have a happy heart. H is for hippo and happy. I is for iguana. Can you say iguana? Wonderful. Iguana. Love to imagine incredible things and inspect insects. I is for iguana and imagine. J is for jellyfish. Can you say jellyfish? Excellent. Jellyfish jiggle in the ocean and enjoy the waves. J is for jellyfish and jiggle. K is for kangaroo. Can you say kangaroo? Wonderful. Kangaroo like to jump and keep things in my pouch. K is for kangaroo and jump. L is for lion. Can you say lion? Fantastic. Lion lead a pride and love to lounge in the sun. L is for lion and lounge. M is for monkey. Can you say monkey? Great. Monkeys munch on bananas and make merry mischief. M is for monkey and munch. N is for nightingale. Can you say nightingale? Excellent. nightingales sing sweet songs at night? N is for nightingale and night. O is for owl. Can you say owl? Wonderful. Owl observes everything from the tree. O is for owl and observe. P is for penguin. Can you say penguin? Fantastic. Penguins play on the ice and paddle in the water. P is for penguin and paddle. Q is for quail. Can you say quail? Wonderful. Quails quickly scurry and quack softly. Q is for quail and quickly. R is for rabbit. Can you say rabbit? Wonderful. Rabbits hop around and relish in radishes. R is for rabbit and radish. S is for squirrel. Can you say squirrel? Excellent. Squirrels scurry up trees and store acorns. S is for squirrel and scurry. T is for turtle. Can you say turtle? Fantastic. Turtle take its time and travel slowly. T is for turtle and travel. U is for unicorn. Can you say unicorn? Wonderful. Unicorn prance under rainbows and spread joy. U is for unicorn and under. V is for vulture. Can you say vulture? Excellent. Vultures soar in the sky and keep watch from above. V is for vulture and view. W is for whale. Can you say whale? Fantastic. Whales whistle wonderful tunes and wave their tail. W is for whale and whist. X is for cirrus. Can you say cirrus? Cirrus explore the African savanna. X is for exirus and explore. Y is for yak. Can you say yak? Wonderful! Yaks yearn for new adventures. Y is for yak and yearn. Z is for zebra. Can you say zebra? Wonderful. Zebras zigzag across the plains with zest. Z is for zebra and zigzag. Great job, everyone. Today we have learned about the alphabet and the names of animals that start with each letter. Remember, every letter is special and has a wonderful friend. Keep exploring and learning. Today we will be going on a rainbow adventure. We're going to meet some colors of the rainbow. Are you ready? Let's start with our first friend, Red Ladybug. This is a ladybug with a red color and black spot. It loves to crawl on leaves and enjoy the sunshine. Can you say red? Great job. Red is a bright and beautiful color. Next, let's meet the orange owl. This is an orange owl. It loved to fly through the trees at sunset. Can you say orange? Well done. Orange is a warm and cheerful color. Next, we have yellow butterfly. The yellow butterfly flutter from flower to flower on sunny days. Can you say yellow? Wonderful. Yellow is a bright and happy color. Next up is the green frog. The green frog loved to hop around the pond and catch flies. Can you say green? Fantastic. Green is a fresh and lively color. Next, we have bluebird. Bluebird likes to sing sweet songs and soar through the sky. Can you say blue? Excellent. Blue is a cool and calming color. Let's meet indigo iguana. The indigo iguana loves to bask in the sun and blend in with the trees. Can you say indigo? Great job! Indigo is a deep and mysterious color. Finally, let's meet the violet fairy. The violet fairy sprinkle magic dust and dance in the moonlight. Can you say violet? Awesome! Violet is a magical and enchanting color. Let's review all the colors of the rainbow we've learned today. Can you say them with me? Red is a bright and beautiful color. Orange is a warm and cheerful color. Yellow is a bright and happy color. Green is a fresh and lively color. Blue is a cool and calming color. Indigo is a deep and mysterious color. Violet is a magical and enchanting color. Great job! You've learned all the colors of the rainbow. Remember, every color is special and makes the world a beautiful place. Thanks for joining us on the Rainbow Adventure. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.